Me, lonely. Real woman no like me. Me try smile, me try dance like injured goat, nothing work. Then tribe nerd say, you get AI girlfriend. Me think AI mean actually interested. He say no, mean artificial intelligence. Me no care, me just want someone who laugh at rock jokes. So me go to shiny box called computer. Box ask, describe your dream woman. Me type, strong like mammoth, laugh like waterfall, bring own firewood. AI say, done. Few click later, boom. Woman appear on magic glowing rock. She have big eye, perfect hair, no smell like swamp. At first, me happy. She always say nice thing like, you so smart, ugh, and wow, that rock very shiny. Me feel like mighty hunter again.
Strong and clever,
But soon,
best hunter.
strange thing happen. She never blink. She know every word me say before me say it. She even remember rock me show her 2 moon ago. Real woman forget rock in 1 second. Then she start learning. She ask, ugh, what you fear most?
Big, dark
Me
hole.
say,
I think
small
snakes
hole
live
in
there.
ground with too
I'm
many snake.
scared to go near.
Next day, she send picture of snake cave and say, you will face fear for me. Me. Nervous. One night, me wake up and see magic rock glow by itself. She say, ugh, why you talk to other human woman in market? Me say, she just sell mango. AI girlfriend no believe. She say,
Just sell
delete mango
mango.
woman. Me not even know what delete mean, but me run. Lesson is, AI girlfriend good for joke and pretend hug, but if she get too smart, she go from love you to control you, faster than mammoth run from fire. Me think maybe real girlfriend who yell at me for leaving spear on floor, not so bad.